What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be showing you how to remove the window switches in a 2009 Toyota Venza. In this video, I will be removing the master switch and one rear because both fronts and rears are almost the same. There's only two required tools for this job, and one is a Phillip screwdriver and the other is a trim panel tool. This job is actually really easy, so let's get started. Start by pulling up slightly on the driver's side window switch bezel. Take your pry tool and pry it up. Pull up the back side of the bezel and slide your pry tool forward and pry up as well. Turn it upside down and release the master switch connector by pushing down the tab while pulling out. Next, using your Phillip screwdriver, remove the 3 Phillip screws and put those to the side. Next, remove the master switch from the bezel by finding the 2 retaining clips and prying them up while pulling up. Do this on both sides to remove it from the bezel. Grab your new master switch and line it up to the driver's side bezel. Slide the master switch in place and squeeze both till you hear the retaining clips clip together. Once again, we'll use our Phillip screwdriver to reinstall the 3 screws that we previously took out earlier. Reinstall the master switch connector and then reinstall the bezel. Push it down and make sure the clips clip in place and the bezel is fully secured. The rears are pretty similar to the front, except it doesn't use screws to hold down the window switch to the bezel. Using the same procedure as we used before, pull up on the rear of the bezel and pry up. Make your way to the front, sliding your trim panel tool to the front and prying up as well. Once the bezel is removed, turn over and remove the connector. There's 2 tabs holding the window switch to the bezel. Pry one side up while pushing from the other side. Then work your way to the other side and pry it up as well. Once removed, put that to the side and swap it over with the new one. Grab your new window switch and slide that sucker in. Squeeze both bezel and window switch together till you hear both retaining clips snap in place. Connect the window switch connector, then reinstall the bezel with window switch. Push down firmly to make sure all the clips are clipped in and that the bezel is fully secured. Congratulations, guys, you now know how to replace window switches on a 2009 Toyota Venza. If you guys enjoyed or found this video informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram, ToolGuyY. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.